Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. Today is kind of sort of an experiment. This is a Happy Planner, the dashboard layout. I created a sticker kit and I wanted to see how it would fit and how it would look in this layout. So Hobby Lobby has some Happy Planners on clearance. These are, of course, the ones that started in July of last year. But because I use stickers, I can always, I can put whatever date in here I want to put on here. So that's why I don't mind buying the clearance planners, because I can always redate them. And they were like $8.74 or $8.24, I believe, versus $30 or $40 for a new planner. So I either grab a Happy Planner on clearance or I will grab inserts because they sell inserts for Happy Planners. But yes, so here's the kit that I created for it. And I've been testing out a new printer because I have an Epson EcoTank 2720, and I've been testing out a HP 4155. And so let me show you the difference. This is the Epson 2720, the EcoTank. This is the HP 4155E. So see the difference in the color quality. This is much more true to color. It's brighter. The only thing that I would say I would complain about is the doll is a little grainy here. But other than that, stark difference from the prints. Like, this is not a bright red at all, or more burgundy type color. Not sure why this is such a faded looking color, but now I will say the Epson EcoTank 2720 does amazing job on glossy paper, but the matte paper, depending on the color, it doesn't do very well at all. So like here, the doll's face is just washed out. You can barely see her red lipstick. On here, much better quality print. So just trying out different printers. So if you know of a good printer that prints well with the online labels matte paper, let me know. All right, so I'm going to be using this kit right here. I'm going to do some whiteout because my stickers may not be long enough to cover some of the words in here. So I'm just going to white out these. I think the rest are okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, and this is not for a particular week. I can always add dates when I get ready to put my Monday through Friday. When I get ready to use this, I can always add whatever date, and I can cover up this May 2022 if I don't use it this particular week. Although I do want to do some social media things. I don't post on social media as much as I should, because I don't plan it out. So I'm always kind of flying by the seat of my pants, and I always end up not posting, or I end up just posting something on a whim. So this will be good for that, kind of trying to plan my social media. So put to do here, important goals. Only thing about this, it does have like color here, but I'm not a big stickler for that type thing. And doing this, I may replace this to-go sticker with something else, but who knows? I may have to run some errands or something like that. But this is good. I can write my grocery list out here. get important things done and whatever my goals are for the week. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this sticker kit. Obsessed. So yeah, this is the perfect size. It covers up the numbers of the dates. So like I said, I don't mind buying a clearance planner because I don't necessarily stick to the dates. Whiteout Wednesday. Oh, might be a little long. So what about you? Do you have like a social media plan that you do? I'm looking for suggestions to be more consistent. Because on Instagram, I used to post 60-second videos. This was before Reels became a big thing. On my sewing Instagram, I would post little 60-second reels. Well, they weren't called reels then. 60-second videos of me making handbags. So I do like doing that type of stuff, making those type videos. It's just a matter of sitting down and kind of taking some of my videos and just kind of rendering them down to 60 seconds or less. I've been doing more 30-second type videos now. Let's see if this will fit here. Yeah, so I probably can make that checklist a little, bring it shorter, because I think it's like 2 inches now. Probably can be 1.75. I could bring that down. So yeah, how do you do your social media? Do you plan out your content? Like some people do, like plan out their content months for the month. I'm trying to say, I can't get it out. So they may plan out things for the month and then kind of schedule posts. Or are you more of a weekly type person? What do you do for your social media? Okay, so just wanted to kind of see how the stickers fit in here and how I like it. It's not too bad. Probably wouldn't put as many boxes, but I think this kit would go well in something, a different type of planner, like maybe a Daily Duo by Erin Condren. It might work well with that type of planner, or it may work well with, you know, like a blank notebook or something where you're kind of starting from scratch. But I'll give it a try. I'm gonna, since I printed these out, even though the color is off, I am gonna use these. I'm not gonna let them go to waste. So you may see those stickers again in another book or something like that. But other than that, I think I can work with it. I can work with it. I really didn't have a plan for this video. I just wanted to kind of come in and see, you know, lay some stickers down and see how it will look in this dashboard planner. All right, so that is it, and I will see you in my next video.